Good morning, students. Good morning. Sit down. As a previous chapter, I went through chemical reactions and equations. There we learn about the types of equations. We make to learn about the metal, means the metals, the elements, how elements can be considered, whether it's pure, impure, how they are making chemicals reactions. Okay. Based on that, today one new chapter we are going to start, that is acid, bases and salt. Okay. So how these are being made? Acid, base and salt. These are made by element itself. Some elements which are in the free state and some elements which are in combined state. So free state, if we talk about the free state, it means there will be only one particular elements are there. That's why it is free. And when we talk about combined, means it is totally combined with two different elements to form a compound. Okay. Now when we are learning about acid, base and salt, to know about acid, base and salt, we need any other support also, right? Suppose I have given you a glass of water. Suppose in that in another glass of water I have kept some solutions, okay, some strong solution. In third I have kept some other solution. Now I will ask you that how you can rectify that which is in which glass, what it representing. So for that what you will do? You will say, ma'am, we have to take some support to rectify it out. If I ask you 3 glasses are there, you tell me which is acid, which is base and which is salt. So the thing which we are using, the support which we are taking to rectify acid, base and salt, that we call indicators. Okay, we call it indicators, right? Through this only we can rectify which is acid, which is base and which is salt. Okay. Now indicators is such kind of things, such kind of, we can say such kind of crystals, such kind of catalysts like that we can make through natural also. It is not that it will be getting in chemically also. Chemically when you are going to lab, because some indicators names are there, that is phenolphthalein, these are the name I am telling, methyl orange, we are having litmus paper also, right? But sometimes what happen, like suppose we went somewhere for doing some excursion, suppose we went to some place where with the help of natural resources you have to rectify me which is acid, base and salt. Okay. So for that we can use China rose. Okay. So many things are there, so many natural resources. I am just giving example, Nitika. So many examples are there which can rectify. Through natural resources we can make indicators. It is not that indicators you will get in lab itself. Chemically you have to go through chemicals indicators, you can prepare by yourself also. Okay. So the first thing is that here it is given that test for distinguish between acid bases. What are the tests? For doing the test of acid and bases we need what? Indicators. Is that clear? Got it? Now here is depending upon the property. Now through indicators what we can determine? We can determine the changes of color. Got? If there is changes how we can rectify? Another, it is a white solution, right? It is a white solution, but when we use indicator in that we see it color get change. It means some other properties was there in that white solution. Simple pani, a glass of water. A glass of water, if you will put a litmus, you will see there will be no changes is there, right? It means what? It is totally neutral, no other impurities is there in that pure water. Okay, but in that glass if I add some other solution, other acids, like उसी ग्लास में मैं अगर फिनाइल ऐड कर दूँ, एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर में आई विल ऐड फिनाइल, मे बी उसमें कलर चेंजेस आएगा लिटमस में, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सम अदर इम्प्योरिटीज इज देयर. So indicators, what is the work of indicator? How you will rectify? Indicators have done. How we will say what is the property we should know? In whenever we are using indicator, there will be color changes. If there will be color changes, we have to see which is acid, which is base, and which is salt. Is that clear? Got it? Understood, everyone? Now, next comes indicator. See, indicator is not the odors. Odors means smell not. You have to go for the colors. Indicators rectify you the color. If there is a changes in color, mean there is a changes in that particular solutions. Any questions you want to ask regarding this? What I have? Yes, Jitendra, tell me. Ask me normal question. Yes. Open your marks, Jitendra. Open your marks because I should hear your question.
What is meaning of indicator?
I only say what is the indicator is what? The indicator thing is that where there we can rectify acid, base and salt. That is indicator. Sit down. Okay. Now comes, okay, natural indicators. Just now I was saying what is natural indicators, which we can make by natures. Okay. So in natural indicators, what are the thing? Natural indicators come when blue litmus, red litmus. See, blue litmus, red litmus, it is a litmus paper. But natural indicator, what I say, beetroot is there, China rose is there, turmeric is also there. You know turmeric powder? We can use as an indicator also when we go for the differentiate of sodium and chlorine. If I take a drop of sodium chloride, if I add there this turmeric powder, we will see one part is totally get deep red, that is the chlorine part, and one part you will be getting that means where will be formation of chlorine. If it red means what? Acid is there. Total that sodium chloride, drops of that sodium chloride will change into deep red. With the help of turmeric powder only we can do. But usually what we do, now we are which generation, we only go for trends. Methyl orange is there, phenolphthalein is there, ठीक है, phenolphthalein is there, so nice color, purple type of color is there. Why to use this turmeric and China? कौन इतना China रोज को गरम करो, फिर उसको फिल्टर करो, फिर उसको इंडिकेटर में यूज करो, राइट? वो है ना? Why to do this kind of? In better doing this, straight away they'll go for practicals. सीधा मिथाइल ऑरेंज डाल दो, है ना पार्था? हाँ, पार्था तो always हाँ, yes. Partha will never say no. Every time Partha will say yes. Now listen. How we can rectify acid solution and basic solution? For that, what you will take in a test tube, you will take some acid solution. So acids are there like HCl's, acetic acid, nitric acid. Okay, these are the name of acids. I will give you later. Just I am giving an introduction of acid, base and salt. What are the changes come? Then briefly I will explain you, or briefly I will give you notes. So now here we will take a blue litmus solution in that test tube. Okay, so we will take a acid, it will change into red color. In that acid solution, if I put blue litmus paper, have you seen blue litmus paper? Everyone? Okay, I will make you, I will bring some apparatus here, some chemicals here to rectify you. Okay, blue litmus paper, as we will dip the blue litmus paper in that acid solution, the color will get change into red. Okay, the change of blue litmus paper will be changed into red color. When it change into red color means it's totally confirmation that acid is present. मैं तुमको एक बॉटल में, एक बीकर में I will give you HCl, hydrochloric acid. This will do. Okay, I will dip the litmus paper in that acid. I will see the litmus paper will change into red. It means presence of acid is there. Okay, suppose I will take sodium. With sodium I will take chlorine, या with sodium I will add HCl. एक मेटल में जब मैं एसिड भी ऐड करती हूँ, एसिड ऐड हो रहा है ना उसमें, उसी सोल्यूशन, इन दैट सोल्यूशन इफ आई ऑल्सो आई विल टिप दैट लिटमस पेपर, दैट विल चेंज इट टू रेड. It means acid is present. Is that clear? Got? Next come for the base. Now base what we will do? Same thing we will do. For base we will take alkaline solution. Base में acidic solution नहीं लेना है. क्या solution लेना है? Alkaline. Remember student, like barium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide. ये सब alkaline है ना, इसमें acid कहीं नहीं दिख रहा है. Right? Alkaline solution, what is alkaline solution? Where there is absence of what? Acid. Okay, we'll put alkaline solution, again we'll dip that litmus paper. We'll see the color will change into blue. Now you rectify it. Acid means red, base means blue, and no changes means salt. ठीक है? Got it? So acid will be what? Red. Blue will be what? Base. And neutral, that is salt. Neutral will be salt. This part is clear to you? You don't have any doubts? Okay. See, here only today for that just an introduction was acid, base and salt. Later we'll go for, we'll learn how many indicators are there, what indicators we are using in which particular experiment, because one universal indicator is also there. I will tell you later about it, because see, slowly we should go through the chapter. Okay, one universal indicator is also there, where you have to learn what is universal indicator, why we say universal indicator when normal indicator is present, right? So in the next class we will go for more, means maybe I think tomorrow we will have class again. So we will go for the next particular of acid, base and salt, deep explanation, then we will go for the properties, because acid तो मैंने बोल दिया red, लेकिन acid का कुछ तो टेस्ट होगा, base का कुछ तो टेस्ट होगा, कुछ तो स्मेल होगा. खाना खाते हो, you eat food, पता चल जाता है ना, what is mutton, what is chicken, what is fish and what is egg curry. If I put 4 things, you can smell, you can rectify. हाँ नितिका, हाँ, right. So that is we have to go through it, and that will how, what is, how acid react, how base react and how salt, the properties. Okay, right. So next class we will continue with this, the next part of it. Yes, ma'am. Thank you student. Thank you, ma'am. Sit down.